Yeah.
First of all, the woods went quiet. So, and my hair stood up.
Yep.
So I thought, oh, might be that bear that's running around that's been on the news, you know. So I was cautious and I had a firearm with me. And then, you know, here comes that rock and lands in front of me about 20 or 30 feet, right on the trail. And I could hear it coming, but I think it stopped right in front of me and was going back and forth, pacing, and I just couldn't see it. Is that possible? Is that their hair? What is that?
Absolutely. That's what I said. They have that ability. It's not that they're not there. People say, oh, it's not that. They are there.